Welcome everyone to the Ghana AI workshop and the hackathon event. We're excited. We're in the Accra, Ghana, so come along. So today we are going to be going over a couple of great tools and platforms that we have today. It's going to be very exciting. So most importantly, how do we really empower small businesses and our community to really integrate AI and to get to the next level? So today is going to be jam-packed, very excited. So let's get started.
Our Bridge Labs today has opened our eyes to the fact that AI is needed in our everyday processes. Once I have an operation setup I'm using and I have to do repetitive tasks, I can easily automate those tasks using AI. I can cut out hours of sourcing for clients by creating a pipeline using AI tools in order to get my customers knowing me quickly and being ahead of the game and the competition.
So the future of AI in Ghana is looking very promising. There are so many innovative tech startups coming up in this space. There are so many businesses that are utilizing AI. We definitely need more people to join the AI wagon, but so far so good. And I'm super excited about the direction we're heading in terms of AI in Ghana.
I'll use AI to make my coding journey easier and faster. I'll use AI to write code, I'll use AI to write technical documentation, and to make this easier and faster for me.
So with the advent of AI has kind of made my work a bit easier in terms of taking notes and then drafting messages and giving them feedback. Personally, I use AI to be able to do a whole lot of other tasks which would have been much Herculean if I were to be doing it manually.